It's Artifacts and Big Racks here, and I'm getting ready to give you a look at some of these artifacts that I got from this dig. Mostly tools, right? But still not too bad. They're working on an oil well close to that site. It's noisy, so I haven't been back. I'm gonna let them finish up their work and then I'll go back when they've completed theirs. But my son got a pretty nice doe. He sent me the footage, so I'll share this with you. The video quality is not the greatest, but that doe it's pretty nice and it'll eat real good. So I guess that's what really matters when it comes to hunting. So yeah, I've been busy, so I thought I'd cut this video and say hey to everybody. So I hope you're all doing well out there, and don't forget to subscribe and take care of yourself and enjoy the video. Have a good one. See you.
I saw her a little far back, you can tell. Oh yeah, I saw her way back. She took that step that I didn't know she took, so. There she is, everybody. That's the meat. Make the boss of the house happy. I won't be in trouble no more, so. Now I guess we're gonna try to fill a buck tag. Alrighty, thank you.
Check that out. This is the first full piece. I mean, it's translucent. It's got a blue tip to it right here. What this was, right? This was probably, they were trying to make like a big blade out of it. And it broke on them, so they reworked it and turned it into like a chisel. That is really cool. Yeah, and just fantastic material. It's just translucent as all get out. Man, it's nice stuff. And I got, a few other pieces of flint in my pocket. One of them's worked, but it's broken. Another piece of campfire rock. And I've been getting some charcoal, This is a great spot, Alright, I got another one here. Right there, they got this napped up right in that little spot right there. So it was a blade, probably some other kind of a tool, or they wouldn't have done that. They're just specialized right there. Some fantastic stuff. Nice blade. I haven't broken up these two clumps of dirt yet, but there was about, a clump about that big. I pushed it to the ground and rolled it, and you can see how it's busted up right here. It's just a piece. You see it? Oh wow, this is a beauty. The tool, the material is wow. Man, I mean, it's serrated. Yep, I've dug up a few out of here like this. I mean, similar to this form, right? Spalled off the block right there is the platform. There's the cross section. Look at that. Ancient flint ridge. Tool of some sort. Man, that is nice. Yeah, it's got that, it's like a burnt orange. Yeah, an orange color, orange and gray. Man, that's nice, everyone. Man, look at that puppy glow. Fantastic material today. I mean, off the charts. I don't know, everybody. I just don't know. I don't know on this one. It's a uniface flake. By golly, that had me fooled. It's something, I think, you know, it's definitely Native American, but is this an unfinished piece? Maybe that's what it is. An unfinished point. Yep. Man, beautiful flint ridge material. Just beautiful. Alright everybody, right there, I dug a hole trying to just to scrounge around, see what I could find. I'm down here where I found that that token that one day. I'm below the dig site now, but man, look at that, everybody. It's like it's got like almost a pinkish, whitish look to it. It's very, very nice. It's damaged right there, but imagine sitting that into like a flower garden and bury it all the way up to about right there where that lip is. Right, you would never see it. Little accent piece, right, to the flower garden. That'll look nice sitting there, and you could stick like a flagpole in the middle of that. That's a keeper. That's pretty nice. I'm liking it. Yeah, I'm liking it. That's going into the flower garden. There's no cracks, you know, in the main part of it. Just, that's it. That's pretty cool. So that's going home with me. Yeah, I'm getting a breather. That about wore me out trying to get that out of there. I knew it was porcelain. I didn't think it was a crock or nothing, but I knew it was probably something that could be delicate. I didn't do that. That's an old break, but so I took my time with it and it about wore me out. But yeah, I got something out of this old dump again, and there's a lot more dig. It's like a vanishing base, stem point, real shallow stem. Okay, I got something cool down here. I don't know what it is. I'm hoping this is full. This is like a blade or a preform or something. It's got some size to it. Look at that. Most of it's buried. Oh man. Yeah, it's broken. Dang it. That's what it was, big old freeform. Dang it. Alright everybody. Well, here's a cleanup of all the stuff. Here's some Upper Mercer pieces here. See, it's got a fire pop on it right there. And here's some little Upper Mercer tools. All kinds of like little tools. Look at these little things right here. One's like an end scraper, and then this is an end scraper too, so all kinds of different tools, everybody. This is a little different. Kind of like grinding stone. Sandstone, it's purposely made. The flat surface. Some lancets. There's various flake tools. These two are almost identical. One I dug up and the other one in a field off the flake tools. I thought this was broken, but no. That is purposeful made. See the work there? Camera not really working with me. There you go. Yep. Like a little chisel tip to it, and then there's that flake tool with the burnt orange. It's another shafted tool, some kind of like a perforator. It's worked right there, and on the other side right here. And that is to facilitate hafting, right? But it's another uniface tool, burned. will. Here's another one. It's a reworked blade with like a chisel tip to it. See the blue there? This is like a really, really high-end, like Nelly Gray. And this was a broken blade. It got reworked, as you can see right there. Here's where it was snapped. They reworked that. That's really nice. Oops. Sorry. That's a nice piece. This was a nice blade. And obviously they didn't want to just discard this one. They turned it into a nice small die tool. Knife, chisel, whatever. And this is a really cool, like, graver. There's a graver spur right in the middle of that. Right there. That's pretty cool. Lots of nice tools, everybody, this time. It's been a while since I've ran an upload. But I've been very busy. I forgot this. There's a bunch of stuff. It was busted up stuff. Blade made out of Flint Ridge. Yep. Not too bad. Yeah, they're working on an oil well close to this site, so I haven't